Welcome friends. Today we are going to do unboxing of BOYA BY-M1 mic, which is used for smartphone, DSLR, camcorders, audio recorders, PC. It has an omnidirectional condenser microphone with high quality condenser, ideal for basic YouTubers. So come on friends, we are going to unpack this. Yes, nicely packed. With all the bubble wrap to keep it safe. So this we need to see. So this is an indication that this is an original BOYA BY-M1 mic. So let us see the content. It comes with a nice pouch, warranty card and the box. Some accessories, your main BOYA mic with 6 feet wire, connecting wire. Additional battery, plugins and cushion for the mic. Okay friends, you use this, you'll get a review of BOYA mic after 1 week of usage. Let us see how it is going. And you can notice that today we have recorded this video with an audio from Bluetooth mic, not from this mic. So congratulations all of you for BOYA BY-M1 mic. So good purchase. Thank you. This is a condenser with an option of camera or smartphone. So this one you can choose during your usage of this BOYA mic. If you are using for smartphone, you have to choose it down. If you are using for DSLR camera, choose it up. And this is very nicely arranged, the microphone with plenty of wire with that.